Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear student, Assalamu alaikum. I am Manzoor Abbasi, Pakistan International School Taif. Today we have to start the exercise 3.5 about the LCM. Dear student, in the first question 3.5 exercise, find the LCM of the given numbers by using their common multiples. Dear students, about the common multiples we discussed in our previous lectures also. Multiples means multiply. Just we have to take the multiples means we have to multiply first time, second time, third time, five time. As we say 5 one time, 5 two time, 5 three time. As we are given the particular numbers. Dear students, in question number 1, we are asked here 3.5. Question number 1. Find LCM. Find LCM by finding their common multiples. Common multiples. I told in a very start, common multiples means we have to multiply. First time, second time, third time, and so on. The first number, that is the part number 1, I have a question 2, 4. These are the numbers about which we have to find the LCM. LCM consists of the two segments like this LCM. First of all, we will find the common multiples. Means first we find the multiples, then common multiples, then the lowest common multiple that will show us the LCM. Here the word, if we think about the LCM, that first we find multiples of the given number, then we find the common multiples of the given number, then we will find the LCM of the common multiples. L means lowest values. These students here, I will start here, multiples of 2 and 4. At least 2 multiples are very important. 2 common multiples are very important. And from the 2 common multiples, we have to select a small value. And that will show us the LCM. Dear students, here see 2 ones are 2, then 2 ones are 2, 2 twos are 4, then 6, then 8, then 10, then 12, then 14, then 16. Oh, not necessary that we will proceed, but we have to take at least the 2 multiples. And from there, we have to take the 1 multiple that will represent the LCM. I would like to show here 4 one time, 4 ones are 4, 4 twos are 8, 4 threes are 12, then 16, then 20, then 24. Dear students, here, if you think about this here, I have just here, I will draw the line, and then I have to put the mark here for the common multiples. I will see which one is the common multiple here. First one, I will say 4 is the common multiple, then 8 is the common multiple, then 12 is the common multiple. At least we think, and then 16 is the common multiple. Dear students, think about these numbers that I have taken common. At least we need the 2 multiples. But if you are taking 3 or 4, it's okay. But minimum we have to take the two multiples, two common multiples, and from there we have to take the smallest multiple. That will give us the LCM. Now here I will write the common multiple, which are 4, then 8, then 12, then 16. Dear students, here I will see that I will take the LCM. L means lowest number. Which lowest number from these all 4 numbers we have? I will take only that number, and that is the 4, and 4 is the LCM of that. 4 is the LCM of 2 and 4. Now, what does mean by LCM? LCM is a specific or particular value that can be divided by the given factor 2 and 4. 2 can divide the 4 2 times, 4 can divide the 4 1 time. Now, after all, here, first question, find the LCM by finding their common multiples. Dear students, in this way, I will see that in question number 1, we are only asked about the part number 1, part number 7, part number 9. Here, question 1, part number 1, part number 1, and after that part number 8, part number 9, and part number 10 and 12. 10 and 12. Now, if you think about that one part I have done, similarly, the part number 8 is 10 and 15. Part number 8 is about the 10 and 15. We will take the common factors of 10 and 15, and we will find the lowest value from the common factors. Now here I will read the 10. Just 10, it is equal to 10 times, 10 one time, 2 times, 3 times, 4 times, 5 times, and 16. Similarly 15, it is the 15 one time, 3 times, 4 times, and 16. Just these numbers are. In the start of your lecture, I told you that we need minimum 2 common factors, and from there we have to find the lowest value. Dear students, I will write here common factor, that is here first common factor 30, and after that I have a 60. 30 and 60. Then I will see what is the LCM. LCM is 30, because this is the lowest number, or this is the smallest number that will give us the LCM. Now here we will think about how many multiples we will find. We have to take the multiples and imagine that minimum 2 multiples we have got. Then we will start. If you are writing the more multiples, than 2, it is also possible. But at least we have to find the 2 multiples. And from the 2 multiples we will find the lowest or smallest one that will be equal to the LCM that we are asked here. Similarly, in ninth part, this part is done. In ninth part number 9, we are given the 3 values. Now here, part number 9, we are given 3 values like this: 2, 3, 6, 9. by the same way, I will write here multiples of the 3, 6 and 9. Multiples of 3, 6 and 9. Now first 3 ones are 3 2 times 6, 3 times 9, 12, 15, 18, 21, and after that 24, and after that 27. Dear students, I will say that if I have got the two multiples, I will stop there. Now similarly, I have a 6. 6 will start from the 6, then 18. 6 one time 6, 2 times 18. Here 2 times 12, 18 and 24, 30, 36. Now even you see that did we got a range that 6 first one, then 12, 2 common factors we have. Now proceed for the 9. 9 one time, 8, 27, 36. Now stop. No. If you think that here I have the just here we have no line, but we have the no 12 because 12 we have here, but in the third we don't have the 12 common. So that's why I will proceed further. 9. 4 times here, 45, again here, 45. Now think about here, 45, I will think here that the number that I have got here, still we need the more up to the 45. If I stop that, then two numbers if I think that if I have here. Now two numbers, what are the two numbers? First, 18. This is the first common. And from here, I will proceed up to the 30, 33 and 36. Now second number that is common here, 36 and 36. Then, dear students, I write the common factors of the given, common multiples that is here, 18 and 27. 18 and 36 here. If I take the 27 here, but it is not here. In even after the last number, we have the 27. But it is the condition that the number that you see common, it must be present in all the respective organic values. So that's why 27 is not common, but because it is present in 2 here and here, but in the mid one, it is not here. So I will take here 18 and 36. From this, I will again say which is the LCM of these numbers, means 18 and 36. Least means the smallest number that you call. The smallest number is 18 and here 18 will be the LCM. Dear students, first of all, we will be very careful about that. The number that we are taking the multiples, they should be up to the range where we are sure, we are confirmed that we will take the common. It is possible to take the common. Then we will stop it. Suppose we proceed this number, means first multiple of the 3. Multiple of 3 we exceed up to the 36 because it is our need. Similarly, we start the multiple of 6 and we reached to the last 36 that is common here. And after that we start the 9. First multiple, second, third and fourth and fifth multiple 45. Then we see that now it is possible that we can find out minimum 2 multiples. Okay, we can find the conclusion of the LCM. We will take the 2 multiples here, 2 multiples that are called the common multiples. And from these 2 common multiples, we will again take the smallest or lowest number. And that is the LCM. Dear students, rest of the questions here I did the 9, but these two questions are homework for you. Now we were doing the method of common multiple to find the LCM. The word LCM is the abbreviation of least common multiple. Least means the smallest, common means which is present in all, and multiple means just to multiply. How many multiples we are taking? Multiples we will take according to the given statement that at least we can find the two common multiples, and from there we can have a LCM. Dear student, in question number 2, I have in question number 2 we will see that in question number 2 we have to find that in the here in question number 2 we have to find that LCM, find the LCM in other method by prime factorization. Question number 2, find LCM by prime factorization method. Dear students, in question 2 we are given a selected part that I would like to see here. That part number 1, 2, there are the 1, 4, 9 and 10. Part number 1, 4, 9 and 10. 10. Now I start the part number 1, 18 and 24. 18 and 24. It is better to write the method name. I write here prime factorization method. I will write here prime factorization method. Now here first of all 18, then their prime factors, 24, then their prime factors. Now we will start the first least prime factor, that is the 2, if it is possible. 2 on 18, 9 times. Then 3 times. On 9, 3 times. Then 3, 1 time. 2 can be, we can read the 2 on 18, 9 times. 3 on 9, 3 times, because 2 is not possible. 3 again 3, 1 time. Now again here 2 on 2, 1 time. On 4, 2 times. Then 2 on 12, 6 times. Then 2 on 6, 3 times. Then 3 on 3, 1 time. Dear students, if you see here, I will state here, 18 is equal to 2 multiply. Here you can write 3 square. Here you can write 2 power 3. 2 power 3. Dear students, I would see here that I will write here 2 multiply by 3 power 2. And here 24, I will write 2 power 3. And then I will multiply 3. Then I write the direct LCM. Now, here we will see here, this is the common. This is the common. And again, this is also common. But the number that you have to take, that will be here, the possessing the highest power. You will take that number. This is that number. And here 2 power 3. I will select, first of all, this is common, right? Means 2 power 3 will be selected. Maximum power will be selected. Here 3 power 2 into 3. You will select the maximum power. I'll write here 2 power 3, again 3 power 2. LCM, I will just separate 2 multiply 2 multiply 2, 3 multiply 3 multiply 3, 2 times. Dear students, here I will open 2 power 3, 1 time, 2 time, 3 time. Here 3 power 2 means 1 time and second time. 2 time 4, 2 time 8, 3, 24 and 23 multiplied by 24 multiplied by 3. Again see here. 2 time 4, 2 time 8, 3 time 24. Last 3 will multiply 12 and for 12 1 here, 1 will be carried there. 3 2 times 6 plus 1 7. It will be equal to the 72. This is the answer. Dear students, in the same way, in LCM, you know that find the LCM by the prime factorization method, 18 and 24. Similarly, if we are given the 3 numbers, same procedure we will apply. Just find the prime factorizations, first, second and third if there are 3 values. Then we will take which are the same numbers, we will write in the exponent form. If there are the 3 multiplied 3, it will be 3 square. Here are the 1, 2, 3, it will be 2 power 3. And then we have to place here 18 and their factors, 2 into 3 power 2, 24 and then their factor 2 power 3 multiply 3. Now this will be equal to the common, and common will be taken, that is from these 2 factors, common is also included, uncommon value is also included. So you will take the power in case of LCM. In case of LCM, HCF is different. Here you will take the power which is maximum. So that you will take the maximum power 2 power 3 and here maximum power 3 power 2 when we are asked LCM. 2 power 3 multiply 3 power 2 and then you will open, write in product form, write in product form of them and their multiplication. Product form 2, 2, 2, 3 times, 3, 2 times and their multiplication comes 72. Dear students, by the same way, if we are given the 3 numbers, so here LCM is the 72. Now you can divide 72 by 18 as well as by the 24. Dear students, after that we have to start here the second part, that is the 9th part of the same. Yes, so today we are talking about the LCM, and actually LCM is the product of the common and uncommon factors. Common and uncommon factors. So we will select the such number whose maximum power, it means that the maximum power contains common and uncommon factor. Maximum power. Here part number 9. Part number 9 that we are given here, that is the 12, 18 and 24. Dear students, in this part we are asked the LCM by the prime factorization method. I write here 12, then 18, then 24. Dear students, I will start the factorization from the very smallest prime number, that is the 2, here 6 times, then 2, here 3 times, then 3, here 1 time. After that, smallest prime number 2, here 9 times, then smallest prime number on 9, 3 times, and then 3 on 3, 1 time. Dear students, here I will start the smallest prime number 2 on 2, 1 time, then on 4 2 times. Smallest prime number on 12 6 times, here 2 on 6 3 times, and here 3 1 time. Similarly, I will see that you write here 2 square, here 3 square, here 2 power 3. You would write, it is preferable. Here I will write the 2 power 2. Here 3 power 2. Here I will write the 2 power 3. Dear students, now I will write here number 12. Its factors are 2 power 2 multiplied by 3. After that 18 2 multiplied by 3 power 2. I will write here. Then 24, it is equal maximum power 2 power 3, and then 3 here. Dear students, I told you I will circle here these all numbers which contains the common and uncommon. Also this number common and uncommon. Dear students, I told you I will prefer the number which has the maximum power, like 2 power 3. Here 3 power 2. Maximum number. So I write here LCM, that is equal to 2 power 3 multiplied by 3 power 2. Dear students, I will write here the same way. I have to write here the same way. I will still open. I write the multiple form of the 2 power 3. 2 power 3 means repeat 2 3 times. Repeat 2 3 times is 2 multiply 2 multiply 2. Repeat 3 2 times, 3 2 times, like this. Dear students, here, if you think about this one, 2 2s are 4, 4 2 times 8, 8 3 times 24, 24 multiplied by 3, it will be 72. Here will be 72. This is the answer of LCM. Dear students, I hope you understand. Now again I would like to share with you that in this part I did the part number 1 and part number 9. These two will be homework for you. Dear students, find the LCM by the prime factorization method. Prime factorization, this is the prime factorization method. And in the question number 1, we did find the LCM, but by which method? By the common multiples method. And this is the same question, but method is changed. What is the method? Prime factorization method. Dear students, here 2 is the least common, the least prime number, again 2, again 3, that is the possible. Again least prime number on 18 2, again 3, that is possible on 9, again 3 on 3 1 time. Then I make the pair here. I write the exponent form 2 into 2. It will be 2 power 2. Here how many 3's we are given? 1 2. I wrote the 3 power 2. And here 1 2 3. I wrote 2 power 3. And similarly here I did the 12 its vector, 18 its vector, 24 its vector. Then make the circle. Now this circle contains common as well as common. But note that you will select the maximum power. We have to select the maximum power. Dear students, here I select the maximum power, that is 2 power 3 into 3 power 2. And again from the exponent form I wrote a product form. It is 2 power 3 means we will write that 2 3 times. 2 again 2 again 2. If it is 3 power 2, I wrote 3 time. Here 3 into 2. And after that, finally we have to multiply. 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8, 3 8s are 24, 24 multiplied by 3, it will become 72. So dear students, these were the questions about LCM, and today we did the two methods, common multiple method and prime factorization method. Dear students, now again we have a LCM by the division method. This is the question number. Last that I will find the LCM by the division method. Dear students, in this method, the LCM we have to find by the same process. Method is different. What is the method? By division method. Now, what is the question? Question number 3. We have only two parts. Part number here 1 and 2. I'll do the one part and you have to do second. Dear students, here part number 1. 27, 81, 54. Now, I write here the solution 27, 81 and 54. This is the division method. I will start from the least prime number, that is 2. 27, 81, here 27. Because table of 2 and 5, 2 times, remaining 1 went 4, 4 become 14, table of 2 and 14 second time. Again, smallest prime number 3, here 9 times, here 27, here 9. How 27? Table of 3 and 8 2 times. Remaining 2 went here 21 and 21 table of 3 7 times. Again here 3 times, here 9 times, here 3 times. Again 3, here 1 time, here 3 times, 1. Again 3, here 1 time, 1 time. Now, the time to find the LCM, that is equal all the factors I will multiply. 2, 3, how many 3? 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 times. I will write the 3 4 times. 1, 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 time 2. If you will multiply here, all these numbers you have to multiply and its answer will come 2 3 times 6, 6 3 times 18, 18 3 times here you will multiply here 18 3 times 3 8s are 24 to here, again 3 1s are 3 to 54, and then you will multiply by here 3 last 3, that will become 12, 1 here, 15 and 1, 15 and 1 16. It will come 162. Dear students, for this is the answer. This was the question number question number 3 about the LCM, and we introduced division method to find LCM. This is the division method. All the numbers we write together, start from the factorization from the smallest prime number till you got the all number 1 comma 1 and so on. And after that, when which you get the numbers here, you have to write here 2 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3 multiplied by 3. Here 2 3s are 6, 6 3s are 18, 18 3s are 54, 54 multiplied by 3, answer will come 160. Dear students, this is the and now these are the all remaining. I did the part number 1, part 2 is homework for you, and this is the homework list. Please kindly, this was a lecture number 31, and it was about 3.5. We did the starting question number 1, common multiple method, to find the LCM. Second, prime factorization to find the LCM. Third, trivial method to find the LCM. LCM will found by three different methods that we have done here. I hope you understood. Inshallah, in our coming lesson, we will be again together and we will learn about the word problem of the LCM, highest common method together. I hope you okay. Wish you best of luck. Assalamu alaikum.